In this video, I'll guide you through how to use soft returns and hard returns to control line breaks in your text. Understanding the difference between these two types of line breaks is really helpful for keeping your documents, emails, and any written content looking exactly the way you want. Let's start with the soft return, sometimes called a line break. A soft return is what you use when you want to move to a new line, but you don't want to start a new paragraph. This is especially useful in things like addresses, poetry, or when you want to control where a line wraps without adding extra spacing between lines. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the line to break. This could be at the end of a word or right after a comma, wherever you want the next line to begin. Take a moment to be precise here, because wherever that cursor is, that's where the new line will start. On a Windows keyboard, you'll press Shift and Enter together. On a Mac, you'll press Shift and Return together. Hold down the Shift key first, then tap Enter or Return while still holding Shift. As soon as you do this, your text will move down to the next line, but it will stay within the same paragraph. You'll notice that there isn't any extra spacing above that new line. The lines are stacked closely, one right after the other, just like part of the same paragraph. That's the key sign that you've used a soft return correctly. This is perfect when you want a cleaner, tighter layout without the default gap that usually appears between paragraphs. Now let's look at a hard return, which creates a completely new paragraph. Use a hard return when you're starting a new idea, a new section, or anytime you want a clear visual break between blocks of text. Just like before, start by placing your cursor where you want the break to occur. That's usually at the end of a sentence or after a complete thought. Make sure the cursor is right after the last character you want in